like and subscribe. Mr Patel and the Wonders of the Infinite Bag. In Kilsby, located in a valley between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, tales of magic were common. But amongst them, the legend of the infinite bag stood out. Mr Patel, a mild-mannered schoolteacher, stumbled upon this bag on one of his long walks in the woods. At first glance, it appeared to be a regular satchel. But when he tried filling it with the colourful autumn leaves, it never seemed to get full. Curious, he tried putting in more items. Books from his study, pots from his kitchen, even his grandfather's old rocking chair. Everything fit inside, but the bag remained light as a feather. Word spread, and soon Kilsby's residents were at Mr Patel's door, each wanting a turn with the infinite bag. Mrs Green packed her entire garden harvest. The mayor managed to fit the town's fountain. 6-year-old Anika even joked that she'd put the school inside, to which the bag playfully bulged as if to say it could. The bag was a marvel, a wonder, but with it came a challenge. People began hoarding. Why throw anything away when it could just be stored in the bag? Soon the town was devoid of tools, toys and treasures. Everything was hidden away inside the depths of the bag. One day, during a heavy storm, Kilsby's dam burst. The roads were flooded, homes were at risk, and the town needed its tools and resources to fix the dam. But everything was inside the infinite bag. In the vastness of its contents, finding the necessary tools became an impossible task. The town was in peril. Prunella, who loved reading about heroes in her books, had an idea. She whispered into the bag, "Please give us what we need to save our town." Miraculously, the bag jolted and out popped shovels, hammers, nails and everything required. The townspeople worked tirelessly, and with the tools they had, they managed to mend the dam and save Kilsby. After the incident, a town meeting was called. The infinite bag, as magical as it was, had made them careless. They decided that, while the bag would remain a treasured possession of Kilsby, they would only use it when truly necessary. The bag was given a special place in the town museum, a reminder of both the wonders and perils of endless possibilities. And so, the story of the infinite bag became a lesson for the residents of Kilsby. They realised that just because one can have or keep everything, doesn't mean one should. The true value of possessions lies not in their quantity, but in their purpose and meaning. If you would like to appear in one of our stories as a character, send us an email telling us a little bit about yourself and what you want your story to be about. We'll choose the best ideas and write a story especially for you. Our email address is storytelling581@gmail.com. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We release a new video every Sunday and you don't want to miss out. Goodbye!
The Fable Factory.